Alright, so we're just gonna walk around our neighborhood and explore a little bit and see what there is to do around here. We've walked around only just very minimally because we've been trying to focus on work and get stuff done. But yeah, I'm kind of excited. This is cool. So we're stopped at one of these places getting one of these weird little waffle cone things. Yeah, Rachel's been dying to try one since we got to Taiwan. So we're gonna try it and see how it goes. Just trying Rachel's thing. It's pretty good. And it is just a lot of mosquitoes at this park, so we might keep walking while we eat this. But I'm not sure. But yeah. So one thing about Taichung in particular is that there's a bunch of like these little art displays, art exhibits all over the city, and it's just kind of cool and neat to just go walk around and explore and find little pockets that have like culture and influence, and it's just kind of cool. I like it. But yeah. What did we step into? I don't know where this is. I don't know what this is. It's crazy. So we went to that weird little museum thing, and probably not in focus. And now we're in People's Park, and they're setting up for like some concert thing. I don't know what's going on. They're doing a sound check type deal right now. Our guy, I think he's counting and then clicking. Yeah, we're just hanging out. Steve and his daughter Macy are kind of gonna be here shortly, and we're gonna hang out with them for a little while and see where the night takes us.
It's Friday night. Turn up. Oh, free postage.
Get your postcards here. And here's what we got. So today it's going to be a new adventure where we're going
on our favorite rocket ship. Sorry.
Yep, we're flying in a rocket ship. No, we're meeting up with Steve and the girls, and we're heading to the coastline. It's like a flat ground type area. Apparently a lot of people go there and like dig for crabs, and like there's a bunch of wind turbines, and there's a swimming pool. I don't know why people don't just swim in the ocean, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. Apparently it's really beautiful, and we'll see what happens. We're supposed to meet Steve on May Twin Road, so we'll see how well that works out. Alright, May Twin Road.
Yeah, it's
Well, that's it for breakfast, and now we're gonna head off shortly to our next destination, which is about an hour away. So that's gonna be not a bad ride. I mean, definitely taking longer just in my own state. So yeah, so see you guys when we get there. All right.
I kind of just want to like.
And we're here. So we're now at a new spot Dyalla wetlands, and apparently this is like a touristy spot that we're just gonna go check out and see what there is here. And yeah, there's a lot of people here. They pay to park here. The other place we didn't have to pay to park. Not that many people. Very nice, very quiet. Here's a little more hectic, and the lighthouse. Yeah, the lighthouse. So yeah, let's see what there is here. Too many people, but it's kind of cool if you get to come here, just come a little bit. That dog was wearing sunglasses. That dog was wearing aviators. That's super weird, but like you can see behind me, like this is really cool. It's a cool place. If you don't mind a lot of people, definitely check it out. I just walked to the split point and I'm heading back, but these crabs, there's a bunch of crabs here in these like wetlands, and they all have one big claw and one little claw. So they can fight with one and eat with the other, which is kind of cool. But yeah, if you don't mind people, definitely come check it out. Come check it out either way, and you can kind of just hang out and like not head all the way down there. I'm not gonna head all the way down there. Everyone is waiting for me. But yeah, back to the land, and I'm gonna throw my other lens back up there and see if I can get some good shots with that.
It's gonna be really hot.
So we just got like a corn dog rolled in sweet potato French fries, I think, or just regular French fries. Okay, just regular French fries, and then with like a honey mustard sauce put on it. It's gonna be good, but it's very hot. So that was really good. It was definitely regular corn dog would have been good as well, but that was different, and I liked it. That honey mustard was really good with it. The batter was alright, but you had a lot of crunchy from the French fries. But thumbs up.
Be in here. It's good. Kevin, come here.
Yep.
Yeah.
But now we're leaving here, and I don't know where we're going next, but it's gonna be an adventure. So we will see you guys when we get to where we're going. All right. The girls' school just kind of hanging out. They leave the outside, the playground area open for people to come use the track and whatnot. And we're just kind of hanging out, playing on the swings, having fun, being number one, you know, what we do. Alright, so we had a fun time at the park with the girls, and now we're gonna head back so they can sleep because they have important things to do in the morning. Gonna end it here and tell you guys thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thumbs up.